Welcome, fellow science enthusiasts. Today, we dive into the fascinating realm of quantum dots and their groundbreaking advancements. In a recent study published in the journal Small, researchers introduce a revolutionary approach in synthesizing water-soluble, alumina-coated, indium, phosphide, core shell quantum dots. These quantum dots exhibit deep red emission beyond 700 nanometer, paving the way for a new era in optoelectronics and biomedical technologies. These quantum dots, with precise structures of InP, ZnSe, ZnS, Al2O3, emit light up to 725 nanometers with exceptional efficiency. Not only do they offer a narrow peak bandwidth crucial for various applications, but the alumina coating enhances their stability and photoluminescence quantum yield. The methodology employed in this research is truly groundbreaking, offering a sustainable and biocompatible alternative to traditional cadmium-based quantum dots. By harnessing InP-based materials, the team has unlocked a spectrum of possibilities for optoelectronic devices and biological applications. This innovative approach marks a significant milestone in material science, providing a stepping stone towards environmentally friendly and high-performing quantum dots. From LEDs to biological imaging, these quantum dots hold the potential to revolutionize a myriad of applications. As we conclude our journey into the world of quantum dots, remember that the future of technology and biomedicine shines brighter with each groundbreaking discovery. Dive deeper into this exciting research by exploring the full article from the Small Journal. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of science and innovation. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more fascinating discoveries. Stay curious. Goodbye.